Hello guys, so today I shall be unboxing this Prestige PIC 15.0 plus 1900 watt induction cooktop. So I ordered this induction cooker from Amazon and I got it delivered day before yesterday. I kept it outside because of this virus issue for one day, and now you can see what has happened to the outside covering. It has got damaged and crumpled while delivering. Now let's start unboxing. The inside carton is completely fine. First let's see the product and then we shall see the descriptions which are written on the box. So as you can see, this is the induction cooker. It is looking absolutely wonderful, and all the touchscreen buttons are here. Pause, timer, pressure cook, curry, dosa, chapati, idli, heat milk, deep fry, salute. What is that? Salt. Okay. And menu, warm. There's a power button, and here all the controls are displayed. Now serial number, the model number, Prestige, everything is written. I hope this will work fine. So let us see what is written on this box. So yeah, it is the same product which I had ordered, PIC 15.0 plus, and yeah, these are the facilities, the features of this cooker. We can do Indian menus, we can save energy, it is eco-friendly. It has automatic voltage regulator, anti-magnetic wall, healthy, intelligent, everything. Yeah. The price may be variable. So yeah, it is the same model that I had ordered. Nothing much significant here. So yeah, the next thing that we shall have to do is to see if this works or not. Until then, goodbye.